Okay, continuation ito ng another, ano natin, open ng present. Oh, wow, kanino naman po galing? Ang cute naman yan. Sino ba nagbigay nitong, ano, mabait? At binigyan ako ng ganito. Tingnan natin baka may kung ano pa dito. Wow. Pero wala siyang card. Wala siyang ano. Sino kaya nagbigay? Teka, basahin natin. Baka andito. Baka andito, dito. Oh my God. Oh my gulay. Sino ari? Anyway, whoever gave this, I would like to say thank you sa kanya. Kung sino man ang nagbigay, please PM me or mag-comments kayo below kung kanino ito galing. But I really like it. You know, bagay na bagay ito sa aking beauty. Parang alam nila wala akong bag talaga. Oh, ayan. Ay, ang ganda. Ay, I like it kasi meron siyang ano, crossbody. Yay! Thank you so much. Kanino kaya ito? Thank you. Walang nakalagay sa name eh. Sa ano. Walang pangalan eh. Hopefully. Ay, ayun pala. Oh, Juliet. Thank you so much. Ito talaga, Miss Juliet. Thank you. Ganda naman ang present ni Miss Juliet. Ano ba yan? Ganda-ganda. Thank you so much, Julieta. I really appreciate. Bait-bait naman ang aking friend. Alam niya yung gusto ko. So, anyway, ito. What? Ang laki naman itong present na ito. Kanina pa galing. Happy birthday to me! Wow! Oh, wow. Dearest Reggie, may the joy and love that come to you in your birthday last the whole year through. God bless. Kuya Bert and Ate Lilia! Thank you so much! Ang bait naman ni Ate, oh. Talaga si Ate, favorite niya talaga ako. Hindi niya talaga maiwasan. Yung my God, Ate Lilia, bonggacious, oh. Thank you, Ate. Talagang alam niyo, wala akong bag, ano. Hindi kasi ako bumibili ng bag, eh. Kasi hindi ako marunong magpalit ng bag. Yung asawa ko nagpapalit ng bag ko at nag-aayos ng bag ko. Kasi yung bag ko, pag binag ko, forever ko ng bag yun. Tapos, siya ang nag-aayos kasi pag hindi, tinatamad ako magpalit. But anyway, ito hindi ako. Hindi ako tataw na rin, Ate. I'm pretty sure. Gusto ko yan. Thank you so much sa mga binigay niyo sa akin. Thank you. From Una Livia's family, I really appreciate your being thoughtful. You always there. She's very close yan sa amin, family namin. Parang family na namin yan. My daughter grew up with them. Sila yung barkada namin when she was growing up. Talagang maganda ang relationship namin. We always hang out, you know. Remember, Ate, we hang out, parang lahat ng papays na puntahan na natin kung ano-ano pa, pakalat-kalat tayo dyan sa daan. So, with Renzi, Rhea, Papos, you know, ang dami nating magandang memories, and I really, you know, appreciate that yung time na yan. I know it's really hard for you guys what happened to my daughter, but we have the same feeling. Talagang napakahirap, and also they are the one who always giving us regular flowers for my daughter, because they know my daughter since she was like about 3 years old, kaya they know her na, kaya ito every time they, you know, na pupunta sila dito magpapagawa ng hair, laging may flowers ang anak ko. So, sila talaga ang nagbibigay most of the time ng flowers. Wala silang patid. So, thank you so much again, Ate. I really appreciate your, you know, your kindness. Anyway, this, ano na ito? Another one. Anyway, thank you so much. So, wala siyang nakalagay kung kanino siya, kanino to galing. Anyway, thank you so much kung sino man ang nagbigay nito sa akin. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate your kindness and thoughtfulness, everything. Oh my God, ang ganda naman nito. Throw pillow, throw ano rin to, blanket. And soft. Okay, thank you so much. Kung kanino man ito, give me a comment or message me, PM me, just to say thank you ng personal, okay? Thank you so much. Wala siyang nakalagay, so I really appreciate this. Anyway, ito yung kay Ate Lilia, kay Lingling. So, ito yung mga cards na iba na bigay sa akin. Blessings from who? Ito, from Dol ito, kay Dolores ito. Nabasa ko na to. And then, this one. Teka lang. Nabasa ko na ba ito? Oh, yeah, nabasa ko na ito. And this one, nabasa ko na ba siya? Yeah, nabasa ko na ito. Nabasa ko na sa inyo lahat ito. Okay, this is Regina. Oh, yeah, kay Kiko ito. At saka kay Luchi. So, meaning, nabasa ko na tong mga ito. Okay. Ano na natin yan? Itabi na natin. So, this one is from, kanino naman ito? Uy, lagay ko to dito. In case na hindi kasya sa akin. I have, uy, ang daming pera. Oh my God, sino nagbigay nito? 60 old. 60 old enough to have a life figure out, young enough to, 60, sabi niya, old enough to have a life figure out, young enough to live it. Okay. Here's life. Here's to life 60. I can believe 60 ako. Here's to you. Happy birthday. Dearest Reg, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Life can offer God good health for love, Luz. Ay, kay Luz pala to galing. Okay, Luz. Ay, okay, marami sila. Kaya pala ang daming kwarta dyan. Reggie, happy birthday. Wish you all the great things in life. Good health and more blessings. Always. Merly. Si Merlin at saka si Eric. And then ito pa isa. Reggie, 60, happy day, 60th birthday. Wishing you good health and lots of happiness. Enjoy your special day. Love. Dominguez family, girly, thank you so much. Ang dami kong pera, oh. Oh, I have $60 and I have another $60 na pang, tatago ko to, hindi papakita kay Larry para siya yung magbayad ng pagkain namin. Okay, Olive Garden, pwedeng Olive Garden, kung Yard House, Bahama. Bahama kasi lagi kami doon sa, sa may happy hour. Thank you so much mga friends. Mga kaibigan ko to nagbigay. This is my group of friends. Talagang very nice tong mga babae na ito. Ang galing-galing. Di bale, marami pa tayong fun na gagawin. Don't worry. Marami pa tayong party. Yan. Mamimiss nyo ako pag wala na ako dito. Oh, anyway, ano yun? Oh. Okay, more candles, more wishes. Uy, happy Mother's Day too. Hope you all come true with love. Emma, this is from Emma. Thank you so much, Emma, for your Ulta Beauty. Okay, magbo-beauty. Thank you so much, ha. Those are yung mga friend niya ni Gayem. Gayem, thank you so much. Yung mga friend mo lahat, bring to my party para mag-enjoy sila lahat. Okay? So, we're going to have another party soon. Okay? So, standby lang kayo ngayon. Meron pa tayong party na darating pa. Ready? Ay, from Connie. Connie, thank you so much. Ano ba to? Okay, happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! Oh, meron na naman akong present o gift card. My dear Reg, wishing you a wonderful day and a whole year, just perfect moment. Good to be alive days and wonderful to remember times. Love, Connie. Bob, at saka yung mga babies niya and Emily Andrew. Oh, thank you so much, my dear Connie. You are so, very nice, very thoughtful. And thank you dun sa dala mo, ha. I know, I saw you. You brought something, and I think that's, spare ribs, I think. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Kung di ako nagkakamali, it's like spare ribs or something. Dalawa sila may laging may baon sa akin yan. Anyway, lagi silang magaling silang magluto ng mga kung ano. It's easy to believe in goodness, grace, and blessing when there are caring people like you in the world. Wow. Wow, mayaman na ako, dami ko pera. Okay, sabi niya, Reggie, today we're celebrating the most memorable and amazing person you are. Wow, thank you so much. May your birthday bring you nothing but happiness and blessing. I'm grateful for our friendship. Love you, Aida. To the beautiful lady, Reggie, your kind heart shine in the way you live and the person you are. Happy birthday, love, Aida. Aida, thank you so much. Alam mo, wala akong pera. Okay, salamat. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God. Thank you, my friend. Siya yung nagbigay sa akin, actually, ng book na malaking bagay, malaking naitulong sa akin na sana sa mga taong nakaka-experience ng like what I'm experiencing right now is sana I will share to you the book that she gave me from her daughter. Since this thing happened, actually, it's really good na mabasa yan ng mga taong nag-experience ng katulad ko at yung mga taong lost, yung mga taong they don't know what they're gonna do and they have anxiety and depression like me. So thank you so much, my dear. I really appreciate your support. Anyway, happy birthday, Reggie. Uy, cute naman. Uy, dear Reggie, wishing you all the best. Wishing you the best on your very special day from Jonah and Jan. Oh my God, dami ko talagang pera. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jonah. She's my client. Oh, Jonah, you enjoy my party. I'm pretty sure. I saw you. Talagang dancing. Wow, you're gonna be my regular guest next na party because you're enjoying you know how to enjoy the party. Kaya siya masarap imbitahin tong babae na ito. So this one is, I know where this came from actually. Wow, si Kuya. Wow, si Kuya. This is from Kuya Dante. Kuya Dante, oh my God, honestly, yung ginrate mo lang ako one time is it's overwhelming na. Kasi you know what? Since I was born, this is the first time that you greet me happy birthday on my birthday time talaga, day. Anyway, thank you so much. Oh, talo ko yung mga apo mo at pamangkin kasi sa akin marami. Oh, $60. Sila tagto 20 lang. Sorry, mas malakas ako kay Kuya Dante. Thank you so much, Kuya. Alright. Dapat mag-60 ako uli para maimbita ko uli si Kuya. Anyways, this is Reg Rodriguez. I don't know where this kanina to galing. Anyway, ang mahal kong kaibigan na it's the special people we meet along life road who helps us appreciate the journey. Wow, I have another. Okay, dearest Reggie, happy birthday, Reggie. Blessed birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health always and bless. Happy birthday. Mother's Day to God bless Ate Josie. Thank you so much. Too many life season you've been part of some special memories. Your warm and understanding ways mean so much to me. That's why on your birthday I wish you nothing but happiness. Your loving friend Ate Josie Salvatierra. Thank you so much, ate. Ang dami kong pagkainan. Oh, thank you. Ate Jo, thank you so much, ha. Hala, bayaan mo papagandahin kita parate para lalong magselo sa'yo si Kuya. Okay? Kasi maganda yung inasawa niya. Tuloy ngayon, takot na takot siya, 'di ba? Okay. Sana panoodin mo, ha. Panood mo kay Kuya. Joke lang, joke. Anyway, there's another one. Woo! 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 I see. Sino ari? I see, Father Pio. Kanino ito galing? At 60, you can take pride in what you're done. Be sure of what you know and feel excitement about what lies ahead. Dear is ready. You can know that lots of people are celebrating you and what you bring to the world. Hope today brings you lots of happiness in return. Happy birthday. May God bless you and your special day, and every day enjoy life and family and friends. You would celebrate the wonderful you. Love, prayers, Dolores, Louie, and the Baitan family. Thank you so much, Dolor. You are so kind. Meron pa akong extra dito. What is this, Dolor? Is this your lucky $2 you always giving me? Oh my God. See, I told you. I know her. Extra $2. She always giving me this lucky dollar. And she gave me this. Oh my God, Dolor. Ay, naku, naiya na ako sa inyo, ha. Sobra na yan, ha. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Oh my God, thank you so much. You are so, talaga. Wala akong masabi din. She's one of our group, yung mga dance, namin. Binigyan niya pa ako si Father Pio. Yes. Thank you so much. Pag-good luck yan sa akin. Sana your dream will come true, na sana maging peace na yung mind ko. I'm looking forward for that. Kaya lang, we have to be patient with me kasi it's not easy, my dear. Talagang ganito siguro talaga ang buhay. Anyway, this is a long note for them. Wait for my other video, okay?